Simba, let me tell you something my father told me. Look at the stars. The great kings of the past look down on us from those stars. So whenever you feel alone, just remember that those kings will always be up there to guide you. And so will I.
But I can't see them, Dad.
Keep looking, son. Keep looking.
Dad?
Simba, you must take your place. You must remember who you are. The one true king. As king, I was most proud of one thing. Having you as my son.
Please, don't leave me again.
I never left you. I never will. Remember who you are.
Как будто ты меня, я каждый раз загадываю.